Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar on Thursday clarified that the Indian National Congress fully stands with the DMK under the leadership of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. He dismissed claims that the real Congress is supporting a newly formed political outfit. Speaking at an election rally in Maraimalai Nagar near Chennai ahead of the upcoming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, Shivakumar along with Stalin accused the new political entrant of misleading the public. The remarks come in the backdrop of a high decibel campaign by actor turned politician Vijay and his party Tamizhaka Vetri Kalagam in Tirunelveli on April 8. During his address, Vijay had claimed that while the DMK had bought some Congress members with money and crores, the real Congress was with him. Shivakumar clarified that the Congress stands firmly and exclusively with the DMK-led front under Stalin's leadership. He said such claims are misleading and assured that the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge stands united with Stalin. Taking a swipe at film personalities entering politics, Shivakumar said, "Politics is like agriculture." He explained that it requires patience, grassroots work and long-term commitment rather than instant success like in films. He added that leaders must prepare, sow seeds, apply effort and wait for results as political success cannot be achieved overnight. Tamil Nadu will go to polls on April 23, 2026.